Today, we are going to learn about the Pythagorean theorem. The Pythagorean theorem states that if a triangle is a right triangle, then let the leg 1 squared plus leg 2 squared is equal to its hypotenuse squared. So we can use this Pythagorean theorem to manipulate it and find each length of each side. Okay, so let's do our first example. First, if we want to use the Pythagorean theorem, we have to make sure that this triangle is a right triangle. As we can see right here, yes, it is a right triangle. So first, let's write down a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. So length 1 squared plus length 2 squared is equal to hypotenuse squared. So right now we're trying to find the hypotenuse. So let's see, length 1, 3 squared plus length 2, 4 squared is equal to c squared. So let's do 3 squared is 9 plus 4 squared is 16 is equal to c squared. So 9 plus 16 is equal to 25 is equal to c squared. So which means c is equal to 5. So we get the square root of 25, so it's 5. So we know the hypotenuse is 5. This is also known as a Pythagorean triple. So 3, 4, 5. There are many examples of Pythagorean triples. There is 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 3, 8, 15, 17, and 7, 24, and 25. Okay, so let's do a second example. So first we confirm that this triangle is the right triangle, as we can see right here. Yes, it is. So let's see. Let's write down the theorem. A squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. So we only have one leg, so let's do a squared plus 5 squared is equal to 10 squared. So a squared is a squared plus 5 squared is 25 and 10 squared is 100. So what we want to do is make a squared be by itself. So we'll subtract 25 on both sides. So it's going to be a squared is equal to 75. So which we can simplify this furthermore. So we have to make, so what we're going to do is make 75 into a radical. So we have to do this on both sides to get rid of this 2. So a is equal to 75. And we have to simplify it. So let's use a factor tree. 25 times 3, which means this answer is 5, 3. So this length right here is 5 radical sign 3. There you go.